Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, I will show you how to deal with iPhone without original color display. The iPhone has no original color display. Generally, the new screen is replaced, but the original color date of the mobile phone is not written into a new screen. We first read the phone cover code into the machine. Unscrew the rear fixing screw to disassemble the phone. After hitting the screw, use the pick to open the screen gap. Unscrew the cable cover screw and take out the cover. Disconnect the handset and display cable. Connect the display cable to the original color display machine and start writing the original color date. Reinstall the phone screen back after writing is complete. Fasten the screen cable, battery cable and the earpiece cable. Install the cover and tighten the screws. After pressing the screw of the mobile phone, tighten the fixing screws at the rear. Now we turn on the phone. We can see that the original color display function can be turned on normally.